11. Benefits of e-governance. Need not to wait in government offices for services. Can receive service with the help of information technology. Government services offered speedily and with less expense. Efficiency of the offices and quality of the service get enhanced. 12. Kharicchya Revolt. Reasons of Kharicchya Revolt. Imposition of excessive tax by the British. Compulsion for paying tax in cash. Seizing of agricultural land for non-payment of tax. 13. Causes of the decline of village industries. Pottery, import of aluminum vessels. Carpentry, use of machines made of metals. Tanning, export of raw leather to Europe. Textiles, import of machine-made British textiles. 14. Explain the causes of the revolt of 1857. Miseries of farmers, excessive tax, exploitation of zamindars and moneylenders. Poverty of the craftsmen, decline of village industries and textile industry. Dissatisfaction of kings, the British took over the princely states. Through the doctrine of lapse. Miseries of the sepoys, poor salary and abuse by the British officers. 15. The land revenue systems implemented by the British in various parts of India. Features permanent land revenue settlement. Implemented in Bengal, Bihar and Orissa. The tax was collected by zamindars. Zamindar was the owner of the entire land. The actual farmers became tenants. Features of Ryotwari system. The land revenue was collected directly from the farmers. Farmers were the owner of land. Excessive tax impoverished them. The tax rates were frequently increased. 25. What were the factors that caused Quit India movement? Reluctance of the British to implement constitutional reforms in India. Public disgust with price hike and famine. The assumption that the British would be defeated in the Second World War. 26. Role of Subhash Chandra Bose in Indian freedom struggle. Leader of Indian National Army, INA. He formed a political party called Forward Bloc. He formed a provisional government for Free India in Singapore. The Indian National Army had a women wing called the Jhansi Regiment. Captain Lakshmi, a Keralite, was in charge of this regiment. 27. Explain Mountbatten Plan. To form a separate country in Muslim-majority area, as per the Muslims' wish. To divide Punjab and Bengal. To conduct a referendum to determine whether to add North-West Frontier Province to Pakistan or not. To appoint a commission to determine the borders in Punjab and Bengal. 28. Explain integration of princely states. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was the Union Minister entrusted with this mission. He appointed V.P. Menon, a Keralite, as Secretary of the Department of States. Patel and V.P. Menon prepared an instrument of accession. Following the diplomacy of the government and popular protests, majority of the princely states signed the instrument of accession and joined Indian Union. 29. Explain the progress in economic sector of independent India. India accepted the mixed economy. In 1950, the Planning Commission was established. Centralized economic planning was implemented. 5-year plans started in 1951. 30. What are the achievements in science and technology of post-independent India? Established several research institutions, example CSIR, ICAR, ICMR etc. Indian Atomic Energy Commission formed. World-class engineering institutes were also established. 5 Indian Institutes of Technology, LITs, were started.